This could get dangerous. Maybe I'll get to meet Spike. I missed the ghost train. Good for me, bad for you. Am I a ghost? Yeah. Get him, Spooky! Here we go again. I really hope Spike is watching this. This place is scary. You should be more careful. Why me? Spooky! Fetch! Words aren't always enough. Wow, I'm in the lead. Don't be mean. Costly mistake. I will haunt you. Who is frightened now? Sometimes you gotta fight. Stop looking at me. What was that? You got bested by a child. Go, fetch! Is that Spike? We made it, Spooky. Hey, I'm just a kid. My balloon. You didn't have to do that. Spooky is gonna get you. Time to take Spooky for a walk. We made it, Spooky! Wait till I get spooky. Ha! You got spooked. Gotta stay calm. You scared me. Ooh. Come on, Spooky.